Hello, welcome to White Davy Gardening in Worm Farm. If you like my channel, please press the subscribe button. This is my worm farm. This is one of two shelves. This is the other shelf. This is the first shelf that I built. I am getting ready to harvest some more of these upper bins here. I've already harvested quite a lot. These are just some of the containers of castings that I've harvested some so far. Here is another container with castings. So I have quite a bit of castings that still needs to be harvested. I'm currently working on securing my worm farm so that I won't have any fruit flies or mice going in there. So I'm putting up my mesh. So I'm just giving you a little tour. If you enjoy this video and you would like to see more, please take a moment to give me a thumbs up. You can leave a comment in the section below. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and turn on your notification for more updates like these. Thank you so much for watching and have yourself a wonderful day. Yeah man, a time for grow.